Hi, I'm here at Valley RV Supercenter in Kent, and as you can see, our inventory is back up to normal levels. Great deals. We're ready for the 2022 camping season with a great selection of trailers. So we carry Jayco, built proudly by the Amish and Mennonites. As you can see, we have their primary mode of transportation out front. Here's our beautiful showroom waiting for you to come in. We have a 14-bay service department right in behind there, ready to fix anything that should go wrong with your RV and get you back on the road having fun this summer. We are stocked with Jayco's Class A's, Class C's, and now Class B's, even 4x4s with diesel engines. We are stocked with fifth wheels, North Points, Eagles, Pinnacles, from 28 feet on up to over 40. Beautiful quality Jayco fifth wheels with 2-year factory warranties, bumper to bumper. We are stocked with units waiting for you guys to come in and enjoy what the Pacific Northwest has to offer. Great prices, and most of all, a great product.